Let me save you 6 months of wasting money on AI. In 2026, every founder will be using it, but 90% of them will be using it wrong. They'll be duct taping ChatGPT prompts together, buying random SaaS tools, hiring some cheap automations freelancers, and wondering why nothing actually moves revenue. Over the last 3 years, we've worked with 50 plus businesses ranging from startups to companies doing multi-seven figures, helping them implement AI systems that say 15,000 euros per month, free up 3 hours per day, add predictable MRR through automation. And here's what I can tell you. Templates, they are good, but custom systems will always win. And today I'm going to give you the no BS AI toolkit for founders in 2026 that I have personally handpicked. Use this to start, but understand that this is step one, not the finish line. So let's jump right into it. 5 tools that actually matter in 2026, not hype. These are not 10 Chrome extensions, but 5 tools that can genuinely create leverage if used properly. Tool number 1, Perplexity Pro. This is for research dominance. If you're still manually researching competitors, markets, and trends, you're well behind. Perplexity Pro lets you break down competitor positioning, identify offer gaps, pull cited market data. You can run multi-step research threads. You can ask it, for example, find me some emerging issues in my offer and competitors, and get a structured output in seconds. This can quite literally replace a junior analyst or a chief marketing officer inside your company. Tool number 2, AlphaSense. This is for high-level market intelligence. This is what a lot of serious firms use because AlphaSense allows you to scan earning calls, industry reports, market transcriptions, and strategic signals. So if you're a B2B or a SaaS or enterprise facing, this is an unfair advantage research tool. Most founders research on Google, but high-level operators can research on tools like AlphaSense. Tool number 3, Clay, a revenue engine. This is where money is genuinely made. Clay allows you to enrich prospects' data, pull intent signals, apply custom scoring logic, generate hyper-personalized outreach. Layer AI scoring into Clay, and you can create an amazing lead qualification engine, automated outbound intelligence, revenue-focused automation, and build a genuine, stable sales pipeline for your business. Tool number 4, Manus AI. This can be used for autonomous execution. This is the shift from AI assistant to essentially AI operator. Instead of saying something like, write me an email, you can say, research 100 companies in my ICP, score them based on buying signals, generate personalized outreach, and then summarize the opportunity. And you can execute it quite well. Tool number 5 is LangChain plus vector databases. This is a mixture between a tool / an actual infrastructure layer. This is where founders move from tools to systems essentially. LangChain allows you to chain multi-step logic, connect databases, and build AI workflows. Here you can add vector databases like Pinecone, and then you can train it on your past calls, your past SOPs, recent client conversations, build long-term memory. And this is what I mean by essentially, this is like an infrastructure tool. Quick note, I prepared a detailed Notion document breaking all of this down, essentially exactly how to use each of these tools, what they're good for, when to avoid them, and how they can fit into a scalable AI stack. The link is in the bio, so just don't collect the tools, understand how to actually work with them. Now, I want to talk about something called the vertical AI shift, and this is how you can actually win. Here's the 2026 shift most people won't talk about. Horizontal AI tools, they are crowded, versus the vertical AI systems have an unfair advantage. Instead of saying something like an AI email generator, you can build an AI specifically trained on your past interactions, your ICP psychology, your objections, your offer mechanics, and this is how conversation rates can quite easily jump. Because now the AI system that you used is not generic, it's contextual. And this aligns directly with what people like Alex Hormozi teach. The offer is everything. AI should amplify your business or your systems or your solutions, not distract you from it. So if your AI doesn't directly increase conversions, LTV, deal velocity, it can be quite literally noise, not leverage. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is in section 3, what I would do if I was starting today. If I was a founder in 2026 starting fresh, these are the exact steps that I would take. Step 1, use free or affordable AI tools. Step 2, identify your biggest bottlenecks. Step 3, measure lost time and lost revenue. Step 4, build custom automations around that constraint. That's it. Same philosophy as building a grand slam offer. You optimize the highest leverage points, not everything at once. Most founders try to use AI in their business, but smart founders engineer around their constraints. We build full-on SaaS systems, develop multiple custom lead engines, added 5,000 to 15,000 MRR features for our clients, help founders stop guessing and start engineering. But we're really selective with who we work with, because real AI implementation requires strategic clarity, iteration, proper integration, not hype, not copying someone else's stack, but genuine real-life engineering. So if you're serious about scaling and using AI in 2026, here's the reality. You can A, keep stacking random AI tools, and I would genuinely recommend this if you are a beginner. B, stay where you are and quietly lose up to 15k per month in inefficiency. Or C, build a custom AI system that actually compounds. If you want option C, book your ROI-based AI clarity call, and on that call, we'll audit your current operations fully, identify your biggest leverage points, show you where AI could realistically add 10 to 15k per month, and tell you honestly if it's worth building. No hype, no generic SaaS, no let's try this cool tool, just infrastructure. Click the link below before your competitors do.